Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome once again to DJM TV. My people, still on election matter. Governorship election. When they come up for Kogi State, my people, not be smarty they share for inside Kogi State. The violence where they don't enter another thing, not be smarty. Right now, my people, the director of communication for this Mauric Sam campaign organization where they call Farouk Adero, he don't come aside. He don't come talk concerning the violence. Where just full ground for inside Kogi State. He talk say the hand of their governor they call Yahya Bello. He say they inside. He said anything where they happen for there because he don't talk and he come outside. Police say who not join them, he go collect bullets. People now listen to this man. Now listen to this Farouk. When they talk concerning this whole matter and bars what they happen for inside Kogi State because not be here the matter is all the long go. Hey, governorship election. Both are watch and make una share the video.
Well, whatever is happening anywhere else cannot definitely cannot be as bad as what is happening in Kogi State. The killings that took place today, the police commissioner took credit for those killings of policemen. What happened was that early this morning.
I don't understand. I mean, you're saying the commissioner of police in
the PRO of the Kogi State Police Command issued a statement and said that policemen had gone to the house of our DG to look for thugs that were camping there. That was why they went to go and look for thugs. And in the course of looking for the thugs, they killed 3 thugs and arrested some. Now, to the best of our knowledge, I think about 4 people were arrested. One of them is the DG, is the director of campaign, the director of a new media for our campaign. There were no thugs in that house at all. There were no thugs. And even if they were thugs, how do you invade the house of the DG of our campaign with an armored tank? The armored tank was supplied by the DSS in Kogi, by the director of DSS in Kogi. His name is Tosin Ajayi.
And you have that for a fact?
Where else would thugs get armored tank? Black armored tank. Let me tell you what happened. Wednesday last week, I issued a statement because we got wave of this plot to go and attack our DG and our youth leader. They were actually going there to go and kill those people and claim that they went to arrest them and resisted arrest and accused them of all sorts of things. So we cried out and they retreated.
How well do you know this for a fact? Because we're talking about state actors here. You're talking about the DG, the state director of SSS in Kogi State.
His name is Tosin Ajayi, yes. Tosin Ajayi, let me tell you, I'll give you the background. Tosin Ajayi is the 3rd highest ranking DSS officer in Nigeria. He's the deputy director general of DSS. For no reason on earth should he still occupy the low office of director. Tosin Ajayi has rejected every attempt to transfer him from Kogi. He's not the only one. There's another person working in the headquarters here. He was the former director of DSS in Kogi. These are the people who are working with Yahya Bello, and any commissioner of police that comes, they co-opt him into it.
Working with the governor?
Working with the governor in the sense that they are collaborators of the governor. This attack was led by the governor. You see, this is not, what we are saying is not something that is outlandish. Anybody who knows our governor knows that he openly brags and sponsors thuggery.
Well, some 2 months ago, the police in Kogi State actually warned your party, the SDP, I believe, not to drag the police into politics in the state, based on allegations of planned attacks.
They are in politics. How do you invade a private house and say you are looking for thugs? And these same police people, and I like to give you dates and instances. These same police people, on October 8th, a thug executed 2 other thugs. An APC thug executed 2 other thugs in broad daylight in front of Grimad Hospital in Aingba. They know the thug. That thug is still free. Working, he executed 2 people. One of them is called Abbas. The second person was the ward chairman of the APC in Iyale ward in the Kenya local government. That thug is still working free. Another thug called Ismaila executed 2 thugs in Ejule shortly after. He's still working free. Ismaila killed another person called Ibrahim, who is in Ejule. He's still working free. Our state headquarters of the SDP was burnt down 3 times by a guy called Abraman Little. Abraman Little is a senior special assistant to the governor.
Well, let's come back to you because Farouk Adejo, that's not the first time you've been in this business. You've been a communication expert, and you know the implication of saying things.
I take full responsibility, and I challenge Tosin Ajayi to arrest me.
Well, it's good that you've been able to bring in that. So now let's quickly bring in Ogohi here. Ogohi, good.
DJ TV. DJ TV.